Hi, today I am not going to take any class. Today I am going out to meet a student, a boy who is studying at PMSI PTS VHSS Kaikot Kadavu. Let's come with me. We can see who is the boy and what is his skill. Follow me. Hi dear all, you know that soccer is the most popular game in the world. Some people love it, some people live with it, some people live for it. You know that nowadays we are not able to see some wonderful matches, wonderful tournaments in soccer because of this corona. Anyhow, you know that soccer is the number one sports in the world. Even small children start to practice with football from morning to evening. They are thinking about soccer, they are going to some coaching, they are practicing, they are forming clubs and they are trying to reach a bigger clubs. Okay, so here another boy who live for football and who has some special skill in football. He is a 10th standard student, but he is very much skilled in some of the football related thing. That means jingling, balancing, like that. He is because he has such a bonding with football or soccer. So you here, I would like introduce before you a skilled student. Let's welcome that boy. This is the skilled boy which I told you, Muhammad Sarbas. He's a 10th standard student. Let me ask some questions about his practice and his skill area. Okay, Sarbas, welcome. Welcome, Rashid Educational Channel. And I'm giving some online classes in my YouTube channel, as well as I would like to introduce some skilled students through this channel. Okay. Yes. So I am very happy to introduce you in my channel. Yes. So and I would like to just to, show some of your practices. Yes. Through my channels. Okay, it may get some inspiration to all the viewers. Okay, yeah. Especially children. Yeah. And let me ask some questions. Simple question. Okay, so you know that everybody like to football, everybody play with football. Okay, they enjoy football, and you know everywhere students are there, they are playing very much, and few children are showing some skills beside the game. Yeah. With football. So I think you are the one of the student who is making some extra skill with the football. I saw in some TV channels also, right? So good. And before show, just tell us something about your interest and practice. When did you get the inspiration? At what age or at what class you started loving football?
When I was 9 years old, I had a football team.
Okay. When he was in 9 years, he loved football and became a part of a football team that time. So, okay, nice. Okay, that means you are in the 4th standard or something, I think. Okay, and you know that every students like to play football and they like to score Okay,
Yes.
score maximum goals, and they like to become a goalkeeper to save the football, and there's different positions they like to play.
Yeah.
So beside this, and what position you like to play?
Forward.
Forward. You also like to score well, and beside that, I saw from channel that you are jiggling and balancing the ball. So, and at what moment you started this type of interest? At what moment of your soccer life you started to think about this type of jiggling well and balancing well? Is it the part of the coaching or something like that, or you got some inspiration by watching some other student or some other players or something like that?
I saw some YouTube videos.
Okay, you saw some YouTube, you watched some YouTube videos and you got inspiration. That time you thought, maybe at what age or what class you watched that?
Ninth old.
When you are in 9th years, you started watching YouTube channel about football. You are that much crazy in football, so you watched it, then you saw some balancing or jiggling with football, so you got inspired. Okay. And how about your family? Did they support?
Yeah, father, brother.
Oh, your father supported very much. His brother also supported very much. Okay, parent support is very much important in this type of activities. Everyone noticed that. Without parent support, sometimes some students can click or they can show their skills, but mostly they need the support. Basically, they need support from the parents. Okay, so you got some, and you got practicing this type of balancing. Okay,
Yeah.
and who told you can do like this better? Your father or father's brother or your friends? Who told you are doing well? Sarbas, you are doing well, jiggling and balancing well. Who told you first?
Father and father's brother.
Oh, once, when it was while you are practicing from home.
Yeah.
When he was practicing at home, his father and father's brother, he's also a sportsman.
Yeah.
Okay, told him it is you are doing well. To see that support from the parents, support from their house, that is you are doing well, so you can show this area is very nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So did you tell to any friends or your friend told you that you are doing well?
Yeah.
Your friend told you are doing well, and you started to show your skills through your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You started a YouTube channel for what?
Football skills.
Okay, he started his own YouTube channel
Fitness.
only to show his fitness and his football skills. Okay, through this, some viewers knew that he has such a skill, and one of the famous channel shooted his skills and telecasted it. So he became more popular. So we can hope that he will become more popular than present. Anyhow, we have some restriction. This is the Corona season. We can expect after Corona he will become a very famous footballer in our area. Okay, all the best for a future career.
Thank you.
And actually, you need practices. How many hours daily you practice?
1 hour.
1 hour.
Morning and evening.
Okay, you practice every day, morning and evening, 1 hour each, or total 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour each. He practice. See, daily he he do practice in the morning 1 hour and in the evening 1 hour. Those who wish to make any skill in any area, this is the one of the lesson you have to follow. You have to learn. That is, he practice every day. He spends every day 2 hours only for this type of special skills to develop a special skill. So, at what time you wake up in the morning?
5:30 o'clock.
Okay, 5:30. He usually wake up at 5:30 in the morning. This is also not another important. Morning means not any other time, not after the sunrise. Before sunrise, he start to practice. 5:30 he just wake up and he is starting practice, and evening also practice. It is not easy. If you have a passion, if you have an interest, you have to spend, you should have to show some pain. That is why he became famous. He got a chance to telecast in a channel, more popular channel in Kerala, because he had some pain. So that is the result. He became the star of one of the channel. So students or people, those who wish to become famous or to know or to show some skills, you should have to spend some time for the special skill. This is a very good example and lesson for you everyone. He spent 2 hours. You can spend more than 2 hours, it's no problem. But beside that, you should do that. You are studying academic matter. You should give importance academic matter also. Don't leave academic matter and practice. Beside that, he is spending for this type of coaching. Yeah, sometimes some students may have that you are only giving time for practicing soccer. Let me ask, do you study well?
Yeah,
How many hours daily you spend for studies?
2 or 3.
Okay, he's listen that he's spending 2-3 hours for studying also, not only for soccer. Beside that, he is doing spending some time for academic matter also. That is very important. So, Muhammad Sarbas, do you have any message to the viewers?
Yeah,
What is that?
spend the time for practice.
Okay, very nice. This is a very good message to you. Spend time to practice whatever you want. You have to spend some time. We have with me once again Muhammad Sarbas. He's a 10th standard student, and he has some, I told, because he is with us because he has some skill in football or soccer. So let's watch his skill. Ready? Let's come. Wow, a good appreciation from a professional coach. See the gentleman who wore a red t-shirt. He is Venkatesh from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He was watching his performance, so he appreciated him. See, now he had some touching with Muhammad Sarbas. Venkatesh is the professional coach, coaching for professional clubs. He got some interest. Hi viewers, see with Sarbas and me, another gentleman. He is Venkatesh, a professional coach. He belongs to Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Accidentally, he was watching his performance in this ground, so he appreciated him, and we can ask something about this Muhammad Sarbas skill. Venkatesh sir, how is this performance? You are a coach, professional coach. You can tell something about this performance.
Good, no.
Yeah.
Not bad, very good.
Yeah, he's saying that his performance is very good. Some people are there, they beside their gaming and scoring, they like to play this type of skilled activity with the football,
Okay.
where jiggling, balancing,
Yes.
so like that. Okay, kicking through the tires like that.
Yes, yes.
So he is also skilled like this.
Yes.
What about his performance?
This performance okay.
Okay.
Everyday training, day by day training, improving.
Improve. Yeah, you need much training every day, so
Every
it
day.
will
Continue
improve.
training,
Yeah.
don't stop.
Okay. We have some viewers, some especially children. Can you tell something to them? Those who most of the students are soccer lovers.
Yes.
You just
everyone's okay.
can you say some advice to them?
My advice: parents support to. Many parents support to only studies.
Oh, I say okay.
You
So many,
parents
most of the
support-
parents, yeah,
most of parents support to only studies. You support to sports also.
very.
There is so many chances sports levels. This situation.
Okay. Dear parents, he's a professional coach, so he has some experience. He's saying that most of the parents are not supporting in sports. So every parents, it is for you. Listen that.
My experience.
Yeah.
I'm studying school.
Yeah.
First standard to 12th standard. I'm studying school's full scholarship, sports scholarship.
Oh my God.
I'm studying college also, UG and PG,
Oh.
both of sports scholarship.
Yes.
Everything giving to sports. I'm not paying.
Oh, okay.
Sports is
Everything for him.
Yes, scholarship.
Yeah. He's saying that he got scholarship from which standard? First standard.
First standard to 12th standard.
First standard to 12th standard, he got scholarship through sports and his degree and PG
Yes, PG.
only because of this scholarship, scholarship. So that's why he became a good coach. You should encourage studying. Besides that, you should encourage in any area, something sports or arts or something like that. In that field also, we have many opportunities or chances. So, bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you next time. Okay.